Still sick. Still sick, still not feeling good, but we're gonna bust out another tutorial because you deserve that and I deserve that. My brows are done and I primed my eyes with the Kaylee's base, which I really like. So now I'm gonna go in with the Moon Spell palette from Lunar Beauty. I'm super excited to use this. It's such a cool palette. I've been waiting to use this. Oh, it's so good. So I think I'm gonna stick with like more of the purples. I'm gonna dip into this shade Sarah right here. I'm gonna bring this out. Okay, so now that I have this, that basic shade laid down, I'm gonna dip into the shade Page right here. Whoa, that's pretty. I'm gonna blow that out as well. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and dip into the shade Sabrina right here. Take that on my finger, pop it right in the middle, and then I'm going to take a little bit of Prue right on top. So now that we have that nice and blown out, I'm going to put on some mascara. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Tatcha Silk Canvas and just prime. And now I'm going to take my Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. Take my Tarte Shape Tape. Now I'm going to take my Beauty Bakery flour powder. Now I'm just going to bronze with my Morphe Icon bronzer. It's my favorite. That's why it's like gone. Blush. This is the Laura Mercier blush in the shade Rosé. Give myself a spray. And then I'm going to take some Jeffree Star Peach Goddess. Now I'm going to go back into the palette and take a little bit of Prue again. I'm going to pop that right in the inner corner. I'm going to take a little bit of the shade from the Pat McGrath Holiday Palette right here and pop that right on top because it's super sparkly. I'm going to take a little Peach Goddess and run it on the brow bone. And then I'm going to take a little bit of black liner right on the outside of my eye, but not all the way in. And I'm going to tighten line a little. Dipping back into the palette with Sabrina. And I'm just running that right on the outside. And then I'm gonna take my fluffy brush again and just dip into Page. And run that all along the bottom. So now, to make it more witchy, I'm gonna take the Hank and Henry Slick With It black liner, and I'm just gonna draw like a couple of lines right there on my nose. This is Mess Around from ColourPop. So there's that, and then I'm just gonna go back into the palette and grab a little bit of Prue. And just tap it. And then I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna go pop some lashes on and change, and I'll be right back. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Bye.